gripe of the day is going to be people now reviewing 125s. I'm putting it in that bracket of they're only suitable or they're only aimed at young riders, 17, 18, 19. And they're claiming it's okay for 2 years until you get your proper bike. How is this not a proper bike? This weird stigma that you have to come off a 125 after 2 years and get a bigger CC bike is beyond me. I came down Woodhead Pass the other day doing between 60 and 70. At not one point did I think, oh, if I was on a bigger CC bike I'd be having much more fun. It gets on my fucking nerves. Well, hope you all have a great day, whatever you're riding, and ride safe.